everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm answering the question, what time does Westpac process payments? Now, I'm going to give you a basic guide to Westpac's payment processing times. Please note that these times are subject to change and can be affected by public holidays and technical issues. So it's always best to check the most up-to-date information on the official Westpac website or contact them directly for specific payment inquiries. Now let's start with the key payment types and processing times for Westpac in Australia. OSCO payments. Now the processing time for OSCO payments is within a minute, often in near real time. It's available 24/7, including weekends and national holidays. Now how does it work? It uses a new payment platform, which is NPP, for faster transfers between participating banks. It can be sent to a BSB, an account number, or a PID. Now, pay anyone to another Westpac account. Now, if you're paying anyone, that is, you're paying to another Westpac account, the processing time is within the same day. Sometimes, typically, sometimes immediately. Now, it's available even on non-banking days. Now, while funds are available immediately, they might not be included in the account balance until the next banking day. Now, if you're paying anyone that is on account at another Australian bank, also called standard transfer, it usually takes about, let's say, the cut-off time is usually 6 p.m. Sydney time on a banking day, and the payment is made before the cut-off time. Payments made before the cut-off time are generally received the next banking day. Payments made after the cut-off time or on a non-banking day are generally received on the second banking day. Now, if you're doing BPay payments, the cut-off time is 6 p.m. Sydney time on the banking day, and the payments made before the cut-off time are generally received by the biller on the same day, but the payments made after the cut-off time or on a non-banking day are generally received by the biller on the next banking day. Now, when you're doing international money transfer, Westpac will endeavor to process the payment as soon as possible after submission. The funds are usually available to the recipients within 1 to 3 banking days of Westpac processing the transfer. Now, the processing times can vary and may be longer due to factors outside of Westpac control, including the processing times of the intermediate banks and the recipient's bank. Now, if it's for New Zealand, it's different from Australia. For transfer between your Westpac account in New Zealand, the cut-off time is 10 p.m. Now, all processing time occurs almost immediately for transfers made to 10 p.m., but transfers made after the cut-off time are processed on the next day. Now, for online payments to other banks, the cut-off time is usually 10 p.m. too. Transactions made before this cut-off time are sent to other banks hourly between 9:30 and 10 p.m. That is 9:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. But transactions made after the cut-off time are sent to the banks at 9:30 a.m. on the next day. Now, if you're doing automatic payments via Neo or your amending it, the cut-off time is usually 10 p.m. on the day before the first payment date. And for automatic payments, such as amend or you want to cancel, the cut-off time is 7:30 a.m. on the date of payment. Now, for planned payments and transfers, amend or cancel, the cut-off time is 7 a.m. on the date of payment. Simple as that. Now, it's important for you to consider the banking days. You see, banking days refers to Monday to Friday, excluding national, public, and bank holidays in the respective country, whether Australia or New Zealand. Now, ensure you have sufficient cleared funds in your account on the day your payment is due to be processed. For higher-risk payments, such as those to new payees, Westpac may delay the payment for 24 hours for security reasons. You will typically be notified if your payment is delayed. The customer's bank may refuse a direct entry payment, which can take up to 5 banking days after the payment was processed to be notified. The time it takes for an international transfer to be available to the recipients can be influenced by the processing times of correspondent banks and the recipient's bank, which is outside of Westpac's direct control. Hope you found this video helpful.